Alright, so finally ChatGPT have made their latest model which are in direct competition with Cloud Fable to public. And still I don't know why when I am visiting ChatGPT I still cannot see them until I download the ChatGPT app. So in order to access those models, what we need to do is we need to simply open our sidebar and need to click on this option which says download apps. Now click on get ChatGPT app and then download this. Now click on open. This will open the setup and then from here you can download it. Once downloaded, you're going to see the following app. After installing this app, you will think of, oh, this is a Codex or a ChatGPT. Well, ChatGPT also did some more update to their existing app. They first of all fused both Codex as well as normal general chat together and launched this brand new app. Now if you click here on the top, you can switch your mode and can decide what you want to work. Alright, so the work is for general use case where you want to simply ask for general scenario which we generally use ChatGPT. For example, you are doing research about something, you can find that. Now there is a lot of changes in, but where is my history? The history is not there yet. Well, in order to access history, now you need to click on chats and then you're going to see this new dialog box appears. Now if you click here on see all, from here now you should be able to see your history. Now here also we have got these different options. From here you can decide which model you want to go with. Now for general chat, still GPT 5.6 is not available. I mean, this is what I am seeing as of now. After few hours of ChatGPT announcement of general public, maybe after some time you may able to see. However, when you do ChatGPT work task, you should be able to see Sol, Terra and Luna now available for your consumption. And since this video is more of overview, I will be making subsequent videos to cover the individual aspect, for example ChatGPT Work or ChatGPT Codex. Alright, so this way you can utilize and latest and most powerful ChatGPT, which is ChatGPT 5.6 Sol, and then based on how much complex the problem is, you can decide your model. Now let me again switch back to Codex. So here also openai have enabled these latest 5.6 model from ChatGPT. So these also can be utilized for making apps and programs, which makes sense because these are more complex problems than general chat. So this was a very quick overview how you can utilize ChatGPT 5.6 in your system. And if you are using Mac device, the steps going to remain exactly same. And that's also wrap up this video, guys. Hope that you find it helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Technoholic AI for more such AI related updates. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.